Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recite YouTube recommendation on your mobile device. YouTube's recommendations are usually helpful as they help you find more you like among the billions of videos on the service. But sometimes YouTube recommendation can go bad and show you suggestions that you have no interest in. If you are sick of this, we'll show you how you can reset your YouTube recommendation. So if you really want to totally clear out your YouTube recommendation, deleting the information YouTube has about your interest will serve this purpose. By resetting both of your search history and watch history on YouTube, you can effectively revert your YouTube interest to the blank state. This will allow you to reteach YouTube what you are interested in. Now, without any history, the YouTube recommendation algorithm won't know what you have watched in the past. As a side bonus, deleting your YouTube logs also deleted all these guilty pleasure video searches you don't want to become public. So in order to delete your YouTube history, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to the YouTube app on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you are logged into your YouTube page, go to the top right corner of the page and tap onto your profile icon. As the menu appears, click on Your Data and YouTube option. As it directs you to another page, scroll down and land on to YouTube search history. Here on this section, go to Manage your YouTube search history option and tap on it. On this page, under this search your activity bar, you can see a delete option, tap on it. Now, choose all time to delete everything that was associated with your account. On this confirmation page, go to the delete option and tap on it. By doing that, you have now successfully deleted both watch history and search history on YouTube. Clearing your YouTube history will set your recommendation back to default. But over time, YouTube will learn your interest again, which could result in the same problem you originally had. Now, in order to permanently prevent YouTube from using what you have watched to provide suggestions, you need to disable your watch history and search history. In order to do that, you need to go back to Your Data in YouTube page. Then scroll down to YouTube Watch History and click the field labeled On. As you are directed to another page, go to YouTube History and disable the slider next to it. By doing this, you block all history from saving to your account. Now, in order to pause or block all history from saving to your account, go to the Pause option and tap on it. For something less drastic, you can instead uncheck either include the YouTube video you watch or include your searches on YouTube box. This will prevent your watch and search history from being used to influence recommendations. Remember that YouTube still recommends video when you do this. It just doesn't use your past behavior to do so. You'll see recommendation based on the current videos, your location, trends, and similar. And this was the easiest way to reset your YouTube recommendation on your mobile device. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.